The endocannabinoid system is a system that is already in place in your body to help to restore homeostasis after exposure to inflammation or stress or trauma. The body already makes endocannabinoids, the most commonly known being 2-AG and anandamide. And if we sample tissues that are under stress, like an inflamed bowel or a fluid from a swollen knee, you'll actually find higher concentrations of anandamide in those biopsies. And you'll find higher concentrations of CB receptors in those biopsies. So the body uses the endocannabinoid system to help to stabilize and control your response to inflammation or stress or trauma. You can stimulate that system with the 2-AG and anandamide that your body already naturally makes, or you can stimulate with phytocannabinoids or synthetic cannabinoids, like the ones that drug companies make. The phytocannabinoids are what we're using here at Prime My Body. The CBD, CBG, very powerful products derived from hemp to help you get excellent relief of your daily symptoms of all of these different inflammatory states.